Okay, quick video just showing you how I'm going to turn a £100 investment into £500 worth of shares. This is all thanks to the crowdfunding venture capital club called VCCrowd that I've been a member since 2015. There's a link in the description. If you want to join, you can get up to £250 worth of bonus welcome shares for using my invitation link. Essentially, the club is a managed portfolio. It's a bit like Dragon's Den or Shark Tank, where the club have a team of expert financial advisors who advise the club on which businesses, these are privately owned businesses, startup companies, early stage companies, which businesses the club should invest in. That then gives members the chance to acquire shares in these companies, but also straightforwardly you pay a subscription to the club, a membership fee, and every month you get shares up to the same value of that subscription fee. So it's a great way, set and forget, a savings plan on steroids as it were, but also allows you within the trading section to buy and sell shares member to member. And there's one company in particular that's caught my eye this morning, Total Environmental Solutions. And Total Environmental Solutions, we can see here there is someone on the sell ask offers, which is within the internal trading, remember. These shares are worth 5p each, the fair value. That is the accountancy value on this company. It's worth £26 million in total as a company, which puts the shares worth 5p each. But there's someone here who's selling 10,312 for 1p, so 1/5 of the value. Let's look at the details. It's £103.12. So we're going to get £515 worth of shares for just £100. So I'm going to buy those. This is one of my favorite companies. They've got a big site. I think it's something like 32 hectares down in Colombia, and they've got all the appropriate licenses to convert or treat wastewater and waste oil from ships in Colombia, massive port at Cartagena, and that's what they are doing as a company. A very small company, very much kind of behind the scenes, but that's what they're doing. A really good business. Paul Richardson, I think it is one of the directors, an accountant by trade, very matter of fact and precise about what the business is doing. We've had webinar updates through the club, so we know exactly what Total Environmental Solutions are doing. They're a brilliant club, good for the planet as well. And here we go. So I've got £103.12 spend. Click on buy shares. And there we go, success. So I've just turned £100 of my investment into £500 worth of shares. If the company gets revalued at twice the value, then that'll be £100 into £1,000. I'm holding on to test shares for the medium to long term. I think it'll be a very good dividend play, and then probably get taken over maybe in 3 or 4 years time by a big company such as BP or Esso or someone like that. So it could be worth considerably more than I've just paid for them. But there you can see a small £100 risk, instantly worth £500, potentially worth, let's say, 5,000. If we get a tenfold increase from where we're at, that would still only be a £260 million business, which in that particular sector of waste recovery, with the price of oil escalating all the time, that is still very, very feasible as well. So, you know, I'm just in there picking up my trades every so often, slowly catch monkey, and yeah, I've built up quite a decent sized portfolio now in Total Environmental Solutions, and looking forward to the future in that. Like I said, if you want to join the club, it's absolutely rock solid. I've been with them for 15 years. It's a great place to be. You get all the webinars, you can see what's going on with the different businesses. Most people are not bothered to watch the webinars. Most people are not bothered. They're quite happy to let the club do all the management, build up their share portfolio, come back in a few years time, check it. And you only need one of these companies to be a big winner, and you're laughing, because it doesn't matter if all the rest were to fail. Certainly I've got some shares in some of the companies now which are performing incredibly well. But like I said, it's all privately owned businesses, so this is nothing you would be able to get on the stock market. This is a very exclusive club, but a really good way to get involved in early stage businesses. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.